Hi, I'm Terri, and this is video 2 for my compromised skin case study. When I created my treatment plan for McKinsey, an oily, sensitive skin model with moderate rosacea, I prioritized restoring barrier integrity and reducing chronic inflammation while stabilizing vascular reactivity and improving overall texture. I structured the treatment plan in phases, so I'm not overstimulating her compromised skin barrier. At every visit, I will start with a consistent skin analysis using a magnification lamp to document oil production, hydration, keratin buildup, and visible redness patterns, so treatment choices stay objective and safety-based. Phase 1 of this treatment plan is to regulate and repair. I will use an enzyme mask with Papain and Bromelain to loosen compact corneodesmosomes to refine rough texture while preserving barrier lipids, which is ideal for rosacea-prone skin. My cornerstone will be Oxygen RX treatment. This will deliver controlled oxygen release to help neutralize anaerobic bacteria, support microcirculation and cellular respiration, and calm visible redness. I will use red LED therapy to further modulate inflammatory cytokines and support vascular strength, helping reduce diffuse erythema and improve tolerance to triggers. Phase 2 will be a controlled resurfacing. Once the barrier is stable and reactivity is reduced, I will introduce a 20% Mandelic Acid Peel with a pH of 3. Because of its larger molecular structure, it will support gradual penetration and minimize irritation risk in rosacea-prone skin while refining texture and tone. Key to helping McKinsey with her rosacea symptoms will be the use of home care. In her home care routine, I will include recovery serum, which has secretomes in it for daily repair and visible inflammation reduction, barrier renewal cream with ceramides and cholesterol to reduce transepidermal water loss, and Mineral SPF 45 to protect the barrier and prevent flare-provoking UV stress. I look forward to talking to you all more about this case study in Dallas. Thank you so much.